This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WNG736, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz from an antenna located in Washington, D.C. The current time is 4:54 p.m. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, Central Prince George's County in central Maryland, East Central Arlington County in northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over RFK Stadium, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Washington, D.C. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors. In addition to some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations impacted include Arlington, Clinton, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, National Park, FedEx Field, Howard University, Gallaudet University, Fort Totten, Reagan National Airport, Crystal City, RFK Stadium, Andrews Air Force Base, Landover, Camp Springs, Kettering, Walker Mill, and Mitchellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.